migraines, dizziness. Those are just a few of the symptoms you might be experiencing if your spine is out of alignment. Here to set you straight is Dr. Anthony Montoya of Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Arizona, along with his patient, Terry Contreras. Great to see both of you. Okay, so Dr. Montoya, tell us a little bit about your practice.
So basically, I deal in the upper neck area, specifically this first cervical vertebrae called the atlas. When this bone goes out of position due to like a slip or a fall or sleeping wrong, and the body not correcting itself like it normally would, it causes irritation. Irritation causes inflammation. Inflammation will put pressure on the brainstem, which controls everything. So my job is to put the bone back in its proper position, take the pressure off the brainstem, and allow the body to do what it's going to do, which is heal itself.
And I said a few of the symptoms, but there are many more. What kind of symptoms will a patient experience if their spine is not aligned correctly?
Oh, absolutely, because your body's going to compensate for that misalignment. You're going to have a raised hip, a low shoulder, tilted head, short leg, and now you're going to have aches, pains, numbness, tingling, sharp shooting pain throughout the whole entire body, which mimics fibromyalgia.
All right, so you are one of the only doctors in the state of Arizona that uses a very special technique. Tell us about that technique and how you're helping patients.
I do. I'm a Palmer Blair upper cervical chiropractor, and it deals with the atlas in the upper neck area. And the fact that that bone moves in 3 directions makes it very difficult to put back. It can go forward, back, right, left, up, and down. So I use a special x-ray machine that's a cross between an MRI and a CAT scan. It allows me to rotate the head and neck 360 degrees. I'm able to see exactly where that bone's been jarred out, so I know exactly how to put it back in.
And you said it is difficult to put this
Oh, it's very difficult because it moves in all 3 directions, and you have to move the bone in those 3 directions so it sits properly. If it doesn't, you're not going to hold the adjustment, which means your body's not going to heal itself.
And Terry, you were one of those patients who were dealing with this. Describe your pain.
Oh, I was walking with a cane. I was barely moving. I was walking maybe 100 steps. I was tired by noon. I just wasn't living, and I was wearing a fall button, one of those alert buttons for falling. I was just a disaster.
And you were on medication.
And I was on medication, 5 different medications for pain.
Until you came to see
Until I came to see Dr. Tony.
So Dr. Tony, I like that. So tell us a little bit about the alignment. How does it feel?
It was tough. It took a lot of work between going in and out of being aligned, and there's days that I would be coming three times a week to see him because I wasn't staying in alignment, and then all of a sudden I start being in alignment, and I would start getting better days, and now I'm staying in alignment. I'm walking 6,000 steps, and I'm off all my pain medicine.
And I don't even see a cane or anything.
No.
Can you believe you have a new life?
I have a new life, yes.
That's amazing. And you said it is a commitment, though,
it is.
to come.
It's not easy to be a chiropractic patient. You're not going to come here to get an injection or pills to take home. You actually have to physically be here for me to make sure that that bone stays in alignment, and if I can keep that bone in place, your body's going to heal. Your body was meant to heal itself. It just doesn't need any interference.
And you said that you can actually reverse this condition.
Oh, absolutely. If we can keep the bone in place, the body knows where it should be, and we can bring the structure back.
All right. Well, thank you both for your time. And if you are ready to stop living in pain, here's the contact information. And here is a special offer. Viewers who mention Sonoran Living, you will receive a full set of cone beam x-rays, a complete exam, a consultation, and a report of the findings for $79. Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Arizona is located at 3510 North 24th Street in Phoenix. Call 602-954-2447 or visit azultimatechiropractic.com.